Hi guys, so I've been trying to make forever spinning top. I've been working on it for like forever as well to try and get it going, and I think this is just started to work. I got my clock going over there. It's been 1 minute 54. I've not had it that long before. The very first time I put this together, it worked like 8 minutes 24 minutes. It continued working. I thought I'd cracked it. But then I lost everything, so I started again. And to be honest with you, I've been working over a week, every single day, trying to get this going. And I'm quite surprised this is just done now. So I'm going to hang my camera on top and let it continue to work. See how long it'll take. It's gone to 2 minutes 25, which when it goes that long, it's kind of okayish, I hope. It's wobbling at the moment. I'm not sure if it's going to continue. When it starts to wobble, that's when it starts to break down. So I just put my camera up here now. Obviously, I'll fast forward the time. You don't want to sit there watch this continue forever. So I don't want to touch anything. So I don't know how to put this. Maybe put it on this side. Mind all the rubbish I got here, I'm sorry about that. Okay, I'm going to stop it because I'm going to do something to this top, make it look pretty, and then I'm going to try again. I've got 2 magnets. Trust me, I tried 4 magnets, I tried all kinds of things, but that's what I got. This is just something of one of the, what do you call it, oh gosh, what do you call them? Record player, cassette player or something like that, which was lying in my shed forever. So that's what I'm using. It's just 2 magnets there. I did have 4 magnets on, but I'm just trying with 2 magnets. Anyway, I did build this spinning top, but I think it's too narrow. I've only got 2 magnets there. I'm going to try, but I don't think it's going to work. Can't see properly. Nope, it didn't work. Not that long anyway. So guys, I'm going to start recording it again. This has been going a long time at the moment, but there you go. You have I have a forever spinning top, which, like I said, took me a week to figure out how to do it, and I went through a lot of challenges. I think this light is too bright. Okay guys, so I'm going to stop it now. It's gone over 25 minutes and I think I'm quite happy with this. It's working fine indeed. Just 2 magnets and it works fine. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this. I'm really pleased with this. It did take me forever to try and get it working. I had to do all kinds of things. Yeah, I just prettified this a bit. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, leave a comment.